without thinking twice. And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for some time.
Hey fams, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. Today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me, getting my home ready for the summer, and this is going to be one of the first episodes in my summer series. So definitely go ahead and watch the video from beginning to end. I hope that you are inspired and motivated to get cleaning and decorating your home for the summer as well. Be sure to leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and double tap that button, that bell, for new notifications. Okay, let's go ahead and get on into this video.
On this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and start decorating this console table. I got this vase from Marshall's a few months back, and it was in my bedroom. I like to just take things shop from my home, and use it in different areas, because sometimes when you use different pieces from different rooms, it kind of make everything look fresh and new. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some faux olive branches in this vase. I'm going for a more neutral, like low-key decor type of color palette for the summer. I just want to kind of take away the, all the colors and the yellows and the pinks, and just kind of quiet down my home and make it more neutral and more peaceful. You guys know I'm a neutral person anyway, so I am just going to go ahead and decorate this console table. And this is the last time you're going to see this console table in this video, you guys, because I am going to be selling it on Facebook Marketplace, and replace it with something else. So look out for that, because something new is coming, and I'm so excited about it. So I love the pieces that I'm using here, and like I said, just kind of making everything minimal and as simple as possible. I'm also trying to get rid of like all the tiny pieces of decor and using like larger scale pieces. So you're going to get to see that also in the home as I'm decorating for the summertime. So now I'm just cleaning down this mirror because it is so filthy. This is Nyla's favorite spot in the house besides her bedroom. She comes and she literally sits in the foyer and she is in this mirror from the moment she gets home from school until the moment she goes to bed. She just loves sitting in the mirror and dancing or smiling, laughing, you know, whatever. So I'm going to clean that down, and then I'm also going to clean this bookshelf and start decorating it. All this dust basically came from my husband. He was sanding down the wall. As you can see, I'm struggling with this vase, y'all. It just can't fit. He was sanding down the wall, and all the dust from the sheetrock, you know, just basically was everywhere. So that's the cleanup that you see me doing. He originally cleaned up, but we didn't get a chance to dust down all the furniture. So that's what I'm doing today in the foyer. So as you can see, I'm also using a neutral palette on this shelving as well. And Nyla is home today because she was not feeling well. So I kept her home so she can start feeling better.
Fall right out of love. Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and sweep the steps because it's y'all can't see the dirt, and I probably should have showed it to you guys, but it's like very sticky because Nyla throws her cup and her juice. She throws it down the stairs, and it's very sticky. So I had to go ahead and clean it. And then, I mean, I was also cleaning other spaces in the house that you guys, I didn't put it on this video because it would have just been too long of a video. So I went ahead and I cleaned it and mopped and everything like that. Wiped down the steps. I have to wipe it down with my hands because I have to get into like the little corners by the walls, you know, with all the dust and the juice and everything that gets in the corners there. So I normally like to wipe the steps once a month or so with my hands just to make sure that I get every crevice in every corner. But you are going to see me kind of just cleaning, you know, sweeping my living room a little bit and a little bit of my dining room as well, because the dirt, the dust, everything just, it settles on the first floor. So just trying to get all this sheetrock dust out of the house.
Oh, Emily.
Now
this is the end results of what the foyer looks like. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I am so sorry I've been a little nasally. I'm having some problems with my sinus. It's like really just bothering me. Just not feeling well, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you were inspired and motivated as well. Definitely looking forward to speaking with you guys in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Remember that Jesus is Lord, that he loves you, and I love you too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.